Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and connect your WooCommerce store with Square. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official WooCommerce platform that you're using. If you're using WordPress like me, just go to wordpress.com, and from here you can go ahead and open up the main page. From here we can get started with accessing everything we need. Right here at the left side of the screen we have the plugins section that we can go ahead and use to access all the plugins and the WooCommerce plugins we have installed to run our store. From now, let's go and take a look at the market extensions that we can take a look at. Right here, the official website of WooCommerce.com, where at the top of the screen you have the extensions tab where we can open up the marketplace, and from here we can go and find all the extensions we can use. And as you can see, one of the first ones we can see is called Square. If you're not seeing Square right here, just use the search bar at the top of the screen, search for Square, and it's going to give you the result right here. This is going to enable us to use this Woo's preferred POS partner, Square, making online and in-person payments seamless. So to add it to your store, just click the Add to Store option right here. By clicking Add to Store, it's going to enable you to install the extension. Once you install it, follow the instructions step by step. It's also going to be in the documentation to see how to go ahead and integrate it with your WooCommerce store right here. So once you integrate those two platforms, you are going to go and be able to use Square for your payments on your WooCommerce store. And if you need any more help, just go and take a look at right here. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.